Welcome to qnawire.
So now we'll work on problem 106 from chapter 20. In this problem, we're told that disulfides are compounds that have SS bonds, like peroxides have OO bonds. Thiols or organic compounds have that have the general formula RSH, where R is a generic hydrocarbon. The SH- ion is the sulfur counterpart of hydroxide, OH-. Two thiols can react to make a disulfide, RSSR. What is the oxidation state of sulfur in a thiol? So first they want to know in a thiol, if we have an SH- group here, sulfur, hydrogen will be +1, so that means sulfur should have an oxidation state of -2, just like oxygen does in the hydroxyl ion. In part B, we're asked, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in a disulfide? So in a disulfide, we have something like this, S2, 2-. Now it's not automatically apparent that we have this 2- charge here, but that we're told that it's similar to a peroxide. And in a peroxide, oxygen has a -1 charge, so the sulfur should have a -1 charge in the disulfide bond. Part C says, if you react two thiols to make a disulfide, are you oxidizing or reducing the thiols? So we're going from thiols to disulfide, so we can see that we are losing negative charge, so we are oxidizing the thiol. In part D, it says if you wanted to convert a disulfide to two thiols, should you add a reducing agent or oxidizing agent to the solution? So in part D, we're going from a disulfide to two thiols. So we're going back the other way. And so the question is, do we want a reducing or oxidizing agent? So we want something that's going to add electrons. So we want something that will reduce the disulfide bond. So it's a reducing agent that is needed. In part E, we're asked, suggest what happens to the H's in the thiols when they form disulfide bonds. So these H's here, we don't need to go into the organic mechanism, but these H's here will be removed by the compound which we know has an affinity for these hydrogen plus ions. They are going to be removed by a base. This could be the hydroxide ion, which will remove the hydrogen to become water. Or it could be simply removed by water if it's not in a basic pH.